As 2017 draws to a close, I want to take a few moments just to say a few words. Coming down here to Panama, I start to reflect on how this year has been to me. Did I accomplish my goal? What are the things I need to do, and what improvement can I take? Specifically coming to this spot, some memories come to mind. You can see down here, 25 years ago, my aunt used to drag me out of bed twice a month at 4 in the morning to buy fish here. No, 25 years ago. I'm not that old. I hated the process and I hated everything that involved coming to buy fish. Now, the port is gone, the fishermen are gone, the boats are gone, and my aunt is gone. What remains is memories, the experience, and the lessons. Shall I decide to use them to improve upon myself? And like this city, here, Casco Viejo, which was built in the 1700s in years of Conquistador, has improved greatly. And to this other side, you can see the Bay Area, which has some of the most expensive pieces of real estate in the whole country. The city learned to build upon itself on how to become better. And as every person, like this city, we can take the lessons and make ourselves better. Luck is when preparation meets opportunity. So let's take 2018, a continuation of our best year, and let's make it the best decade of our life. Let's get lucky and let's prepare. For Panama, I want to wish everybody a happy new year.